Hi everyone, I'm just in the greenhouses today. I've taken the lids off the boxes because, as you can see, there's a lot of condensation in here. Now we've had some really mild weather, but the forecast is for a lot of cold, frosty weather. So I'm going to wrap this pot of geraniums and fuchsias, just give that a little bit more protection. But before I start, I just need to take the alstroemerias out of the greenhouse. Right, as you can see, there's a lot of dead leaves on here, so I'm just taking all those off. Anything left on there that's dying off is just going to cause mould now. I don't want rotten leaves in here. Now I'll cut that piece off. It's got a flower on it, but that is not going to last. So I'm just wanting to cut these down a bit because I'm going to put fleece over the top. So that's quite a big piece of cut off there. As long as the roots are protected, that's our main goal now. Even those flowers there, I'm going to take off now and then trim the plant back. Quite a big shoot there, I've just taken off. So it's just generally tidying this up. Now what I should do in the spring, as long as they survive over, just repot them. So I've got the geraniums and fuchsias in here. Now the chances are these leaves will all die off anyway, but as they do, I'll just clear them up. Right, I think that will do. It's a lot better. Right, now what I'm going to do is grab some cardboard so I can put that around the actual pot. And what I've done is just put some cardboard around the pot, all the way around the edges. I've got another piece at the front here. So what I'm going to do is just secure that in place with a piece of string, and then that will just give the roots a little bit more protection. Now that cardboard is should be secured enough. Just hold it in place, and then when it gets colder, I'm just going to put some fleece over the top. Right, there we are. That's how that pot's going to overwinter. So we've got cardboard around the pot, fleece tucked in over the top, and if it gets really cold, I can just put another layer or two of fleece over. Now the alstroemerias that I took out, they can just stay as they are. Now over this side, we've got the buddleia. That would just be okay, because that would actually survive outside in the garden. But since I had room, I put it in here. And this is the levatera, the same. So they just stay as they are. So I'm just going to work around the fuchsias in the other greenhouse. and then they'll be ready for the cold. Bye for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.